How to turn off all notifications on Android device. Hello guys, in this video we'll show you how to turn off all notifications on your Android device. First go to settings and then you need to find notifications, this one, click on it, and now click this one, manage all, and you can turn off anything you want. And if you want to turn off all the applications, just click here. As you see, all the notifications has been turned off, and if you want to turn it on again, just click here. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.